So, welcome to Traveling Matt. If you haven't been here before, hi, welcome. Good to see you. And if you have, welcome back. And thank you for coming and obviously share and like and all the rest of it. And importantly, can you also subscribe? Not just that, more importantly, can you comment? Especially if you want me to place me where you want me to go. So, again, the people that haven't been here, I travel around the UK and visit places I like to see or wherever I go because I travel a lot with work. Anyway, further ado, let's talk about why I'm here. I'm here because I'm here today and I'm working from home today. Or I'm at home today. It's Sunday and I decided to sort my roof terrace out because I bought these set of chairs, garden chairs, to go outside. And I put them in place, but I haven't put them in place. So I put them in place and I kind of covered them, but I stacked them, covered them. So I found another cover, which is always useful. Never throw important stuff like that away. And I was going to get rid of it back then, but something told me to keep it, so I kept it in my box. Anyway, further ado, what I'm thinking about doing is putting my carousel in place, which may not work because it's a half moon one, but anyway, let's see how we get on. And then I want to be able to just put it out, cover it, and then if I want to sit down, either in the morning before I go to work or I come home from work and I want to just chill, I can go and sit out there in peace and quiet. So, no further ado, it's going to be a lot of chop changing and editing while I'm putting things in place. This may be a short one, but if it is, so yeah, let's get started. So, let's crack on. So, at the moment, this is what it looks like. It's covered up over there and with a whole raised bush. And so basically got a long chair and two chairs on the table. But I'll show you that in a minute, so stay tuned. So I realised something that how the carousel opens is kind of like a moon shape, and it's just not going to work in a way. So what I'm going, instead of putting it, let me show you. Instead of putting it so it covers here and there, I'm going to have to put it here to cover these two chairs. Does that make sense? You see, I sense my madness in a minute. So it's finally done, and let me show you what it looks like. I think there's a little tweaks I need to do in order for it not to be so cramped, but I might have moved up plant a bit so you got more room. Apart from that, it's kind of good. A little looking cranny in the corner.